experiencing excessive battery drain on your iPhone running iOS 26, in this guide I will show you how to perform a free battery test using Apple's own support tool. First, launch your App Store, then search for the app Apple Support. Install this app. Once installed, launch it and log in with your Apple ID. You'll see all the devices listed along with other tools and services. And you can even chat with Apple if you have questions. To run the battery test, tap on the device you want to check. Go into Repair and Physical Damage and select Battery Services. Here you can click Check to run the battery performance test, which will show your device maximum capacity and current performance status. This test will also give suggestions to improve battery life, like turning on auto brightness or setting an auto lock. Keep in mind this test works best on official iOS versions and may not function properly on beta software. Following these steps will help you determine if your battery is in good shape and guide you on ways to extend battery life. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.